So I know it's like 11 o'clock at night for me, but I quickly want to make this video to talk about why I am going to be trading my new favorite ticker symbol, which is XSP. For those who don't know me, my name is Paul Yarama, and in this video, I briefly want to talk about some of the reasons why I am going to be trading XSP going forward. So let's step back a little bit and talk about the different things you can trade. You can trade stocks, you can trade indexes, you can trade futures, and a lot of those things have the options component to it. You can trade stock options, you can trade index options, or you can trade future options, right? And I've been tracking very closely the S&P 500 index, and I've been trading the SPY SPY ETF options because I thought that was the best way to trade the index. However, I've discovered that there are other products such as XSP, which is the index, the micro index, because SPX is the S&P 500 index, and buying a option contract for that is about 10 times more expensive than for the mini SPX index that I am talking about, or SPY, right? SPY is also 1/10 of the S&P 500 index, SPX. So I've been trading SPY because I am trading with a lot smaller accounts, and so SPY was a good fit. But there was a few problems that I ran into while trading SPY over the years, right? The first one is that if your option is in the money, there is a risk of it being assigned, and it's most likely that you will get assigned if your option is in the money. And since I am selling call credit spreads, there has been many situations where one leg of my option contract is assigned, and then I have to go and manually sell the other leg of the option contract. So that's a bit of a hassle. The cool thing that I've discovered about XSP is that there is no assignment. Everything is cash settled, similar to how futures are cash settled as well for the S&P 500. So this is really cool because I can either take my profit and loss and not have to worry about the extra headache of getting assignments, getting one leg assigned and then having to sell the other leg. So it's just a little bit easier. The other benefit is that there are no early assignments, which means, let me tell you a story. There was one time where I made a call option, right? I sold a call option and the S&P 500 shot up really far. And I actually got my shares assigned early because it was so in the money that the person who bought the call option just wanted to convert the option into shares. And so in XSP, that will never happen because it's more of a European style option trading where you can't have someone call their option early. They can only call it on expiration day. But that being said, XSP is also cash settled, so we're not really transferring any shares. So that is the cool thing, what I've discovered about XSP. There's also some tax benefits, the 60/40, where it means 60% of your profits are taxed at the long capital gains rate, while 40% are taxed at the short capital gains rate, which allows you to have some tax benefits if you make profits trading these products. So that is some of the reasons why I am switching over to XSP. Is just eliminating quite a bit of a headache from assignments to early assignments, and there are also some tax benefits for trading such a product. There are some downsides to trading XSP. It is not as liquid as SPY. However, I find that the liquidity is good enough for day-to-day trades. And I also heard that the liquidity is increasing for XSP. So let me know what your thoughts are, and if you are trading XSP or looking to trade XSP, would love to have a conversation, how you're trading it, what options, what are your strategies. It'll be interesting to hear about that in the comments section down below. But thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in another video.